Now, Bailey is an 8-year-old student, an author, and poet who loves painting, photography, and music through the power of affirmation. She's cultivating a sense of self and purpose early in her life. So let's welcome Bailey to Weekend Smile for the first time. Hi, Bailey.
Hello, how are you doing today?
I'm good. You're absolutely the cutest.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Hey Bailey, how you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Bailey, okay, so an 8-year-old author is something that we hardly hear anything about. First of all, tell us about the book that you wrote.
Well, the book started out of, my parents got me a poster of affirmations that I would read every day. And one morning, I was getting ready for school. I had read my affirmations. But my dad asked me, did you read your affirmations? And I said, well, I already know them. I know them all. And he said, well, recite them for me. And I recited them all, and he was very proud of me. So we said, how about we create a concept out of this and create a book to help inspire young people. So that's what we did, and this is how In the Wind came to be.
Bailey, I mean, listening to you, I'm in awe because you're so intelligent, such a fresh mind. What do you love most about affirmations, and why do you think that affirmations, are very good for young people like yourself?
They're really uplifting and empowering because young people can find messages that motivate them, like, I can do this. I have purpose and I can do things. So I have purpose. So I think that's what affirmations do. And I think they're just really, really powerful for young people.
Bailey, I'm going to ask this question. I was asking Debbie during the break that I'm going to say this to you. An 8-year-old writing a book, is it like a picture book?
No, it's not a picture book. Although it has maybe 1 or 2 illustrations because it does have a hot air balloon. So it's in the front cover. So, but no, it's not a picture book.
Okay. So Bailey, I mean, so that's the only cover that has a picture in there. Does the affirmations come with illustrations as well to kind of drive home the point that you're making?
No, it does not.
Bailey, a lot of persons, they search their entire lifetimes trying to find their purpose. And I think I've probably found mine. Debbie definitely has found hers. But at such a young age, do you think you have found yours, your purpose?
Yes, I think my purpose is to uplift young people because sometimes things can get hard and they need that motivation to keep going and doing the things that they're doing. So sometimes they just need that boost of positive energy to keep going.
Are you 8 or 38? I just want to make sure that you're 8. Are you sure you're 8?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I was just going to ask you at what time do you have to go to work on Monday? But
yeah, because you're sounding very grown. You know what, Bailey? Give me a few of the affirmations that are your favorites and tell me what they mean to you.
Well, the first affirmation is quote number 1. And that one is, I have my own journey to travel and so do others. We might cross paths, move in the same direction or even away from each other, but I'll decide for myself which way I go. And that one means to know that you are going on a journey, especially young people, because they just got into the world, so they're going on different paths. Every child is on a different path. Every young person is on a different path, and they're going somewhere and they are doing things. So it's just a quote to remind you that you're on a journey.
I love that. Do you like cartoons, Bailey? Do you watch cartoons at all?
No, I used to, but then no.
Okay.
I watch cartoons. I'll watch your share.
Dufton is a cartoon by himself. Do you have any other affirmations that you like, Bailey?
Yes. Another one I like is quote number 2. That one is every day I'm creating the person I want to become. And that is basically saying every day you're learning something new and becoming that person that you want to become. So every day you're learning something new. And like if you want to be good at music, every day you're learning something new about that and you're creating a new building block to put that into your skill set. And so on. It's about, I think it's a quote about learning new skills.
I love that.
Yeah, I'm sure we could go through a whole bunch of affirmations, but persons out there who are, especially young people, who are searching for their purpose and they have been affected by this pandemic, what advice would you give them?
I would tell them even though things might be hard, they might not be able to do certain things, they can still have a purpose and be able to do something and make an impact on the world. So read affirmations, even maybe buy my book. So my book is on my company website, dreamagerecreative.com. You can get it there. And I think it's a really great book because it helps motivate. So if you are even just want like that little boost of positivity, it's great to help with that.
Bailey, listen, I tip my hat to you. You are such an inspiration. The book is called In the Wind,
Yes.
and she also has a spoken word recording called This Is Us, and it's available on all the streaming platforms. You heard Bailey, she has her company,
Right.
so you can check it out and get all the information there. Thank you so much for joining us, Bailey.
Thank you so much. This is a great opportunity. I'm so happy to have done this. Thank you.
Bailey, thank you for making the time.
Yes.
Join us after the break for more Weekend Smile, and we'll be talking about empowering children all over the world. So, go right back. Me and Debbie there, hold on, vibe. We're chilling.